Hi guys, welcome back on TechHead. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find hidden phone number on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the friend that you want to see a hidden phone number. I can select my this friend. After selecting the friend, you can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option says about info. Tap on it and now you can see your contact info here if the person is allow or available the contact info information, and if the person doesn't allow to see the contact info you cannot see here. And this is the way you can find a hidden phone number on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist you in the next one. Thanks for watching.